Oh, and he's got him.
From World Cup to the Golf Prince, Kapil Dev's remarkable journey continues. In 1983, he made history, leading India to its first ever Cricket World Cup triumph. A fearless all-rounder, Kapil Dev became the heartbeat of a cricket-loving nation. But legends never stop. They evolve. After cricket, he turned to golf, bringing the same passion and determination to the fairways. Now, as the president of the Professional Golf Tour of India, he aims to grow the game and inspire the next generation. Kapil Dev, a champion, a leader, and forever a game changer.
Sir needs no introduction, but एक question sir जो पूरी इंडिया जाना चाहती है और शायद मैं भी जाना चाहती हूँ. Having a fantastic cricketing career to having a fantastic golf career now as a leader, and you have PGTI under your wings. Sir, इस journey के बारे में बताइए.
I think it's wonderful. I had experience of playing cricket, so I want to bring same experience to PGTI. I think these golfer work very hard. बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, शायद क्रिकेटर से भी ज़्यादा करते हों, लेकिन उनको ड्यूज़ उतना नहीं मिलता. तो I personally feel if we can look after their life and they play hard, I'll be very happy. Cricket is not the only sport, I believe. There's so many other sports, so I taken a responsibility. I would like to see we can give more time to the golf fraternity.
And in fact, Olympic is round the corner, and golf एक ऐसा sport है जहाँ पर इंडिया आगे बढ़ सकता है. What's your take on that?
Yeah, I think last time हम गोल्ड मेडल या मेडल हम एक पॉइंट से मिस कर गए थे. उम्मीद करते हैं इस बार द बॉयज़ आर मच मोर अवेयर अबाउट दैट कि यस आप गोल्फ में भी मेडल जीत सकते हो. तो इसलिए बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं कि जो हमारी मेहनत है वो ओलंपिक्स के काम आए.
Yes, sir. And PGTI इसी pathway में है to promote golf in India across cities, and we've seen more than 19 events होने वाले हैं this coming year. सर अगर PGTI टूर की बात करें तो ये एक elite tour में भी अब काउंट होने लग गया now that it's been in the ranking system as well. So what's your take on that?
No, कोई elite नहीं है. I think more tournament, giving more opportunity to all the golfers who want to become professional, giving them opportunity to make a life out of that. So that's as a PGTI, our responsibility is there. And now a lot of sponsors coming, and we got so many sponsors this year, more sponsors. So I feel very, very proud and happy. At least these golfers getting opportunity to make a life out of this.
So it's definitely a great era to be in sports. Tapping this industry is very important, like you said in the conference as well. ये एक ऐसा industry है जो boom कर रहा है. And looking at our India's socio-economic standard right now, we're the fourth largest economy. That's what you said. And sports industry ये एक area है जहाँ हम और आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. And golf को एक तरीके से कैसे बनाया जा रहा है through PGTI, if you can talk about that.
I think और बच्चों को अपॉर्चुनिटी देनी है. अगर आपको अच्छे स्टूडेंट चाहिए, अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी चाहिए, उनको पढ़ने का मौका मिलना चाहिए. सेम गोल्फर को, यंगस्टर को लाना है जिसमें एबिलिटी है, टैलेंट है, एंड उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलनी चाहिए. अच्छे अच्छे कोर्सेज पे खेलें. दे शुड गेट अपॉर्चुनिटी. आई थिंक सिर्फ गोल्फ ये नहीं है कि आप गोल्फ खेल लेते हो. ये एक लाइफ लर्निंग लेसन है जिसमें आप ज़िंदगी में सीखने को मिलता है. तो आई थिंक गोल्फ इज़ अ वेरी यूनिक गेम, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी I picked golf after cricket. I'm very delighted.
So there's so many feathers in your cap. आपने cricket भी खेला, golf भी आया, Indian Army, and acting also. So what's next for Kapil Dev?
I don't know. You live for the moment, and I'm living for this moment. Right. I'm with PGTI. I'm trying to look after them and trying to support them. That's my job at this stage. What happened tomorrow, you don't know. Right. But I know today I'm working for PGTI, for the professional golfers, to bring more money, bring more sponsor, and look after them.
So, right, I saw your movie as well, 1983, and you said, taste success once and tongue wants more. So, what's more in your pocket now?
I don't know. पहले golf का तो ये taste होने दो अच्छी तरह. and I think that's not possible without Indian media.
Yes,
Media has really come a long way in golf, and they are trying to look after everybody, look after the sports. I think हिंदुस्तान में वो ज़रूरत है आज मीडिया को सिर्फ क्रिकेट नहीं बाकी स्पोर्ट्स की तरफ भी ध्यान देने को.
Right, sir. Going towards your line only, sir, Prasar Bharati के साथ collaboration है PGTI का, and it's a fantastic collaboration. How do you see this entire partnership where we are promoting the game and you are promoting the game as well?
I think it's important. I feel प्रसार भारती के साथ सबसे ज़्यादा कि ये गोल्फ छोटे छोटे शहरों में, छोटे छोटे गाँव में, छोटे छोटे कस्बों में जा सकती है और उनको भी पता चलता है ये भी एक गेम है. तो इसलिए आई एम एज ए पार्ट ऑफ PGTI वेरी डिलाइटेड, बहुत खुश हूँ कि प्रसार भारती हैव जॉइन हैंड विद अस, और रादर वी विल बी पार्ट ऑफ देम. एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू से आई होप watching through your medium somebody come out and become a world champion.
Definitely, sir. You've been an invincible force in PGTI, and we'll try our best to do that. Thank you so much, sir, for joining
Thank
today.
you. Thank you very much.